Hi everyone, good time. Let's crochet this cute bear applique holding a granny heart. For this project, I'm using Alize cotton gold yarn and 2.5 mm hook. Let's start. For the head, make a magic ring. Chain 3. This chain 3 is not considered as one stitch. Make 12 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the ring and slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. Skip the chains. This is my first double crochet, and slip a stitch on top of this first double crochet. Round 2, chain 1, make a single crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1. I made a standing single crochet and I consider this as one double crochet. Make one double crochet into the same stitch. In fact, I have 2 double crochet now. 2 double crochet in each stitch. And repeat this pattern by the end of the round. 2 double crochet in each stitch, and at the end you will have 24 double crochet. Slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. Chain 1, single crochet into the same stitch. Chain 1, 1 double crochet into the same stitch. 2 double crochet into each stitch, similar to round 2. Repeat the pattern by the end of the round. 2 double crochet into each stitch, and at the end you will have 48 double crochet. Slip a stitch on top of the first double crochet. Round 4, chain 1, make 1 single crochet into the same space. 1 single crochet into each stitch by the end of the round, and at the end you will have the same number of stitches, 48 single crochet. At the end, slip a stitch on top of the first single crochet and cut the yarn. For the ear, make a magic ring. Chain 2. 5 half double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Close the ring and cut the yarn. For round 2, join the yarn on top of the first half double crochet. Here. Chain 2. Make 2 double crochet into this space. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. 2 double crochet into each stitch. Make 3 double crochet into the last stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Now cut the yarn and leave this tail a bit longer for sewing, and hide these 3 yarns into the work. For the hands, make a slip knot and chain 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Skip the first chain. Turn the chains. There are some bumps at the back side, and I'm using these back bumps for crochet. Skip the first chain into the second chain, back bump, make single crochet. Into the next one, back bump, single crochet. Next one, half double crochet. Next chain, back bump, double crochet. Into the last chain, make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn. Continue in the back sides. There are some stitches. Into the first stitch, make 1 double crochet. Into the next half double crochet. Next stitch, single crochet, and the last one, single crochet. Make 1 more hand this way. For the muzzle, make a magic ring, chain 2, make 8 half double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Close the ring. Slip a stitch on top of the first half double crochet. Row 2, chain 2, 1 half double crochet into the same stitch. 2 half double crochet into each stitch by the end of the round. And at the end, slip a stitch on top of the first half double crochet and cut the yarn. For the heart, make a magic ring, chain 3. This chain 3 is considered as 1 double crochet. Make 2 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3. Chain 2 and repeat the pattern. Make 3 double crochet into the ring. Chain 2, 3 double crochet into the ring. 1, 2. I have 4 clusters of double crochet. Chain 2, close the ring. You can see the 4 clusters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now slip stitch into the third chain. 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch into the next stitch and slip stitch into chain 2 space. Now I'm ready for round 2. Round 2, chain 3. Make 2 double crochet into the space. 1, 2. Chain 2. 3 double crochet into the same space. I'm creating my first corner. This is the first corner. Into the next space, next corner, or 2 chain space, make 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. 2, 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet. This is the second corner. Into next 2 spaces, repeat this similar pattern. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Into this one, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. I have my 4 corners and a slip stitch into the third chain. Slip stitch into the next stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, and a slip stitch into chain 2 space. Ready for round 3. Round 3, chain 1. This is my first cluster of double crochet and this is the second cluster before reaching the next corner. This is my first corner, my second corner, and I need to work in between the clusters here. I'm going to make 10 treble crochet. For treble crochet, yarn over 2 times, insert the hook into this space, take the yarn. I have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the next 2 loops, and yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. Two, 3, 4, and 10. The next space is my 2 chain space. Slip stitch into this space. The next space here is the space between 2 clusters. And I create my 10 treble crochet into this space. 1, 2. I have my 10 treble crochet. Now I slip stitch into the next space. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. To watch the other tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Happy crochet!